I'm here with Kaylin Ingram, and since there was only one video that we could find on YouTube, I decided let's add another. This is a 2011 Cadillac SRX with the V6 VVT direct injection engine. And we're gonna,
it's like a 3-point-something liter non-turbo.
It's an engine as far as I know, and it's got 6 cylinders. So we're gonna replace the spark plugs on it, and Kaylin's gonna do all the work, and I'm gonna enjoy watching.
We'll get after it.
Let's get after it.
So we'll start by pulling the
oil fill tube.
Yeah.
It goes the other way, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yeah.
I knew that too. You immediately are able to get to the spark plugs and coils on the front side. It's the back side that's going to be the bugger. We got to watch about this clip, this breather, and potentially pulling our little section off here for getting into the back, which is a much different.
Gracious. This is why we're going to put anti-seize on that.
What happened?
It's tight.
Oh, okay.
You try to turn this down. Oh, and there. Line in your gears there.
You got a halo. You're such an angel.
But all that.
Okay. You got a false halo.
Yeah.
You're making my car squeal.
That's good though. That means you got good tight threads in there. Come on.
Come on.
You know what I'm saying?
So the idea is that there's not a lot of YouTubes out there on doing this kind of repair.
So there you go.
I'm a big fan of YouTube's helping others, helping the problem. What is the problem? Let's just see.
This is burn up. That's about all the life you're gonna get out of this.
So I can't get any more life out of this thing. Let's replace it.
Yeah.
So my real question would still be back to
it's not. Yeah, it's
is it
burning
right
Yeah.
versus burn?
Because it would smell like fuel. Like there's just a slight hint of fuel.
Like a fine cigar.
Yeah.
No,
That's not bad at all.
not that smoking's a good thing to do, but yeah.
I mean, it's no oil on it, so you're in good shape.
So this is what nice looks like. This is what fully utilized looks like.
Yeah, you can see how it's got all the burn marks and stuff. It's all.
So then side by side. How are you? I'm burnt. How are you? I'm clean.
All right, now anti-seize.
Somebody could say it's the cleanly burnt show.
That's it. Clean burnt show.
No, they suggest we do this.
I'm doing this.
You're suggesting it.
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna follow the lead. That's all good.
I mean, you don't have to put a ton. And
Just
make
got
sure
it.
you only get it. Yeah, see, it's anti-seize lubricant spark plugs. So you only want it on the threads. If you put it up here where the spark is, you're gonna have problems. So yeah, you only want to put the anti-seize where the threads are.
But not up there,
But
just
yeah.
at the very top
Yeah,
third.
down, yeah.
Top third being up to the top of the end. Oh no, he did it right.
Mailman.
You're the mailman, you're bringing the money.
It's always nice to boost your weekly pay there. I hate to see that truck go, but it's just wasting away sitting there. Somebody else can get use out of it.
Well, somebody's gonna get the use out of it.
Yeah.
So it's kind of gritty and gray.
Yeah, what it just keeps it from, when it starts getting hot, it'll swell up, and sometimes you get impurities in there, and it'll cause it to lock down for that.
And I will display this beautiful Vanna White image. Sales pitch: Permatex anti-seize lubricant for use in replacing spark plugs. Seize the day by keeping it from seizing you. Permatex. Notice the distribution around the spark plug by using Permatex anti-seize lubricant. Seize the day with Permatex.
No bolt in there and it's sitting good. Seated all the way. So there we go. And we'll get on to the next several.
This is a breeze on the front side. I just know the back side is going to be that much easier.
Oh, it's got to be.
I mean, gosh, there's nothing really blocking the way except the cowling and all the lines and the throttle body.
Should be a breeze.
We'll see what happens.
It'll be fun.
Next time on How You Do. See how people go at killing themselves. Oh, you're right. It does have a feel of a pop when you put it back down on top of it.
That way you know it's seated.
Which also means it's all the way in. Technical terminology is very important.
Definitely.
On deck.
All right, so AC Delco, Iridium blessed. Set up preset spark plugs. You want to make sure that when you get the spark plug, it is preset for your vehicle because you cannot adjust the arm on these spark plugs.
Yeah, the Iridiums.
On the Iridiums, because Iridium doesn't want to be Cidium.
That's right.
That's it.
That's it.
Do you know the Champion and AC were brothers? They
Yeah.
started out together,
Huh.
Champion spark plugs, and then they had a riff, okay? And so Arnold Champion, he went off on his own, started AC Delco. But they started off both as both champions. AC is Arnold Champion.
I'll be doggone. What was that one?
I was just sitting there again.
Nothing important except every tool that we need to have.
See, I run 10.
This one looks like it has a little bit more burn to it, eh?
I would say less.
Less burn?
Yeah.
Still doesn't have. What smell are you talking about?
All right, so if you were not getting good fire, like you were worried about these
Yeah.
not working correctly, if you
Yeah.
were not getting good fire, the end of this would be wet and it would smell like gas.
Well, it definitely doesn't smell like gas, does
So
it?
you're getting plenty of fire to the plug,
You know what it smells like?
like a burnt something.
Not a good cigar. All right, was I supposed to be doing something appropriate?
No, I didn't know. I didn't know if I was supposed
Because-
to line or what.
Oh, that was a funny line interlude, and then we come back to you being all serious because I'm the Tim Allen. You're the other guy who actually knows what the hell he's doing.
You're out.
Yeah.
That's all
See
I
how
said.
these things come out. All right.
Tim Allen's a man.
So, AC Delco stands for somebody champion?
Arnold Champion.
Arnold Champion. That is AC Delco. So who still owns Champion?
I forget what the brother's name was, but it was the brother.
Oh.
They were two brothers.
And the last name really was Champion?
Yes. But
What
they had a fight. So
Yeah.
it's
As brothers do.
Right. So
And my brother
Arnold-
said, that's not the right way to put that Iridium on there.
That's right. So
I said,
Arnold,
yeah, it is.
Arnold went the other way and started his own.
That's funny.
Makes an awesome spark plug.
It makes a great add to this YouTube video.
Yeah, that's
I
right.
appreciate that.
All kind of back knowledge.
Exactly.
We need to hit up Donut Media. You ever watch them?
Who did?
Donut Media?
Donut Media.
Yeah, they do like history, car history stuff.
Oh, not. Would I know about that? Absolutely not. Would you know about that? Yes.
Yeah,
Because
if you're on Facebook, look
If
up
you're a
Donut Media.
gearhead,
Oh,
talk
Donut
to
Media.
him.
Okay.
Yeah, Donut Media, and pretty much
Another advertisement plug.
yeah, they do all kinds of like backstories.
Yeah?
I mean everything from Ferrari to GM, everything. Ford.
What's the difference between a backstory and a front story?
Well, that's all the history leading up.
So the backstory is history.
I would say so.
All right, so I'm just being historical, trying to make sure people understand these things.
Oh, come on.
Uh-oh.
Being a little aggravating that.
Sounds like me. Oh, I'm a lot aggravating.
That's a little too much force.
Don't know his own strength. We ought to call him Super or Hercules. 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 Hercules.
Shout out to Eddie Murphy.
That's right. Did you do it again?
Yeah.
You ain't got your mouth holding right.
I know. Come on.
That's. I've only seen that on American Idol. I have no idea what the real origin of the Hercules. Hercules
It's
is.
Eddie Murphy's.
Another shout out to Eddie Murphy.
Meet the Clumps or what is that?
Coming to America?
No. It was the one where he's really large and big oversized.
Nutty Professor.
Professor.
That's it. Nutty Professor. I think it was the first one or the second
And
one.
that's the real time that it came out.
Yeah.
It came out just Eddie Murphy brought it out.
Yeah.
Wow. Shout out Eddie Murphy.
Yeah.
You still having a fun time?
Yeah.
Okay, hold your mouth the other way.
We'll try something here.
You trying to succeed? Are you
No.
trying to have? Don't break the dang Iridium.
I'm not.
It's
calm
$9.
down.
$9 a Sparkplug.
I get you.
All right. So up underneath here, we've taken off the air intake, pulled off the back of the throttle body, electrical connection, and then now we're working on getting the air intake cover off. I wonder if these were sealed by Permatex anti-seize lubricant.
No, but they don't get the kind of
Filled up in pressure?
they don't get the abuse that the other ones get. So this is the back side of your throttle body, and as you can see, there's buildup.
Oh yeah, a little bit of oily buildup. Is that right?
Well, that's just from the ethanol and
Okay.
just gunky. What kind of fuel do you run? What grade?
I run the right grade.
Okay. Right, and that sometimes has a.
It has ethanol in it.
Well, and I mean, the grade gas you use burns different. So if you run low grade or mid, regular, it's gonna burn not as good as the mid or the high.
All right.
And
these clips engineers.
Sorry.
I was talking about some of these clips these engineers put on are kind of crazy.
I don't understand what it is. They keep it. They don't want the common person working on their stuff.
It's a good thing you're not common.
Pretty odd.
That thing doesn't get in and out, does it?
Yeah, what that cool thing is. I think this got to come out anyways.
Yeah.
I'm glad I bought these the other day. I seen
What
it.
is that?
It is a Torx bit set. It comes
Kobalt. Kobalt Torx.
Torx bit. Yeah, it come in a set of 3. So I had the standard and metric Allen heads, and then it had Torx bits.
Wow. Torch or torque?
Torque.
As in Torque.
Yeah.
So Kobalt Torque bits. Kobalt, a name you can trust.
I like it.
Is it on because of this little thing right there?
Yeah, this hooks in right here somehow. Now, I took the bolt out of it and it just came apart. There it is.
Alright, let's check inside there and out of the way so we can access our. What, you gonna pull something through again?
Yeah, so we can get this out of the way. Alright, so now you can move that completely.
Great clip.
Oh, good eye. Good eye. Just getting stuff out of the way.
So we're jumping ahead. We're putting some of the bolts back in. We've re-clipped the electric. We've got one little fancy dancy turner here to do, a bolt to go in there. A couple more clips to go. I just want to catch you up where it happened during the break.
I looked at it. I deemed it looked all right, so I didn't say nothing.
Thank you for enjoying this change of the spark plugs in an easy 45, maybe an hour and a half. Make it a great day.